And boom, my bun, period. Today we're gonna be doing a what we doing? We doing a knot bun on some short ass hair, okay? Bald head whole shit for real. I got everything I need sitting right here. I got my hair gel. We probably gonna use this whole thing of hair gel just for our bun, okay? But oh, and if y'all see any bleach stains on my shirt, just ignore it. A bitch was cleaning up earlier. I need to first wet my hair because damn, a bitch really went swimming just now. Like, bitch, I was the same. I can't find my black girl brush. Damn, my hair is still dripping. What the fuck? Okay, let me just do this, cause what the fuck? All right, so I can't find my black girl brush. I got my white girl brush, and hopefully this do what it do. Okay. So now you need to figure out how high do you want your bun, right? I like my bun to be pointing straight up at the sky. You feel what I'm saying? Like right at the top of my head, because I know I got a big head. So, my arm's tight already. Okay. So I'm gonna just gather all my hair up. Boom. Let me take my brush. And oh, it do work. Okay, period. So, oh, it don't go all the way through though. Oh fuck. Okay. Ow. Okay. Okay, fuck it. It's okay. Brush up the back. Oh my arms is hurting. But I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I don't usually get my ponytail super sleek because I just don't have the patience. I just be pulling it up and making it do what it do. Where's this strand of hair coming from? Okay, so I'm gonna just pull it up like this, and I'm not gonna put the hair tie on it tight yet. I just want it to sit where I want it to sit. You feel what I'm saying? So that it could be out my way while I'm gelling it up. It's gonna sit right there for right now. And then I'm gonna take my gel, right? I don't know why I always gotta smell my stuff. But you wanna take a whole bunch, and we're just gonna put it on, period. Just like that, baby. Because you want that bun to be sleek. Like, you want that bun to look real slippery. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna get it like that. And make sure you get the back. Do y'all hear this chair squeaking? Oh, it don't want to do it now that I'm trying to show you. Okay. Damn, I wish I had my brush. Okay. I ain't got my brush, so it's okay. To smooth out my hair, I'm gonna just comb it like this. Make sure y'all have a black girl brush, because them black girl brushes will get you all the way the fuck together, okay? This comb is doing the job too. Don't get it twisted. But that brush would have had me real sleek, okay? I feel like the middle is just not like... Alright, so my hair is as sleek as I want it. I don't feel like putting too much more effort into it. Take this hair tie. So, boom, that's what we got. This is what we're working with. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how I create my bun. You may need bobby pins depending on your hair texture or how long your hair is. I don't know, but I just like to I like to just take another hair tie. Before I do that, I just take my hair, wrap around itself, and then y'all see how like it's not gonna, you know what I'm saying? It needs help. So I'm gonna take some gel, boom. And we just gonna mold it in place. You feel what I'm saying? We just gonna mold it in place. Just like that. Just like fucking that, okay? And once your hair dry, all the places like, when my hair starts to dry, wherever I put the gel, my hair gonna start to curl up. So it's gonna be so cute. But anyways, I can't really let my hair go because if I let it go, then it's just gonna unwrap. So I gotta keep holding it. But y'all see like what I'm doing, right? I'm just like wrapping it around. And then I'm gonna take this hair tie. I meant to grab some rubber bands, but I couldn't find them bitches. So I'm just gonna use this hair tie. And I wrap it around like was that 2 or 3? I don't know. And boom, my bun, period. Like you would think I got a whole bunch of hair just wrapping. No, girl, boom, okay? I'm gonna take some more gel. Oh shit, I'm fucking it up. Period. Don't play with me, okay? This is my favorite hairstyle right now because my hair is so short, and I don't like to do like that many hairstyles right now because my hair is so short. So this hairstyle, cute as fuck. Like, I love it. But anyways, that's my bun, baby. And she cute as fuck. Now I need to do some exotic ass baby hairs because who finna walk out the door with no baby hairs? Girl, don't play with me. Don't even play with me like that. So I'm just take a comb down my baby hairs. Okay. Cause we not, wait, I don't think I want no baby hairs on my forehead, just on the sides. Okay, don't play with her. Don't play with her, bitch. I don't look bald head no more, do I? Yeah, exactly. 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 Bitch, exactly. Okay? Yeah, yeah. Alright. That's all the baby hairs I want. I'm about to do my baby hairs and then I'm gonna come back because I don't really do my baby hairs on camera because it's gonna take me a long time to do them. But if y'all want a little tutorial, let me know and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. You feel me? I'm gonna be back, y'all. After I do these baby hairs, I'm gonna be back, okay? So I just realized my ring light was not all the way up this whole video, but it's okay. This is my hair, okay, period. She is cute. She is up. I don't look bald head no more. That's the whole point, okay? We don't need to be looking bald head and not with our buns, okay? We gotta be looking cute, bad, period. All that. So yes, this is my hair. I did my little baby hairs, you know, little exotic thing. You feel what I'm saying? It's swimming, you feel me? I know y'all see them waves, okay? Waves don't swim, so they head on her. I hope y'all enjoyed this little tutorial. I honestly was bored, so I was like, let me just do a little tutorial, you feel me? But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, bitches. Stay cute, stay pretty, stay bad, stay all that shit. For real, like, period. Don't let nobody ruin your day because you too bad for all that, okay? Period. Get to the bed, do what you gotta do, period. Bye.